BMW's upcoming flagship adventure tour, which might be called the R1300 GS, has been spy testing once again. It will be the successor to the existing R1250 GS, and the new spy shots reveal a lot about the nature of the update to be had. Among the most notable updates is the inclusion of adaptive cruise control, similar to the Ducati Multistrada V4S. Also, a blind spot detection system will definitely be part of the package. Leaks regarding the details of the new BMW R1300 GS, My 2024 specification, have appeared in the vehicle homologation data in Switzerland, which confirms the next-generation GS. The 2024 BMW R1300 GS will be powered by a 1300cc boxer twin, replacing the previous 1254cc engine. The new engine will be completely liquid-cooled. According to Swiss homologation data, the new GS has a maximum power claim of 143.5 HP at 7,750 RPM. This value is clearly an increase from the current engine claim of 134.1 HP at 7,750 RPM. The listed peak torque of the new BMW GS generation also shows some improvement, as the documentation says 109.9 pound-feet at 6,500 RPM, compared to the previous generation's 105.5 pound-feet at 6,250 RPM. The new homologation documentation also states that the top speed is 225 km/jam. This figure is an increase compared to the claimed top speed of 219 km/a for the current model. In another detailed Swiss documentation, we can see that the R1300 GS has a slightly longer wheelbase at 1519 mm versus 1514 mm on the R1250 GS and 1504 mm on the R1250 GS Adventure. The documentation also lists a fill weight, with a rider of 75 kilograms and some accessories is 335 kilograms. In the previous generation certification, under the same conditions, the GS weight was at 334 kilograms. From these two data, it is estimated that the R1300 GS weighs only a few kilograms heavier than the previous generation. Swiss homologation data confirms the tire sizes have not changed from the current model, with 120/70ths R19 front tires and 170/160ths R17 rear tires. This cruiser bike, the BMW R1300 GS 2024, is expected to arrive and be introduced by BMW Motorrad at the celebration to be announced in the near future, possibly during the BMW Motorrad Days celebrations from 7 to 9 July 2023.